Brother Soy, updated na ka?
Updated na.
Brother Adji, ang signal, okay ra?
Medyo hinay pero wala gyud tay choice. Dako kay ni nga problema kinahanglan ni sulbaron.
Malubat yun sa ani ba? Kapuyo eh. Sige na lang, sulayan. At kaihi ginis matji ron ba? Wakas matji oh. Ora matji oh.
You have slain an enemy.
Lagi matji oh. Lagi. Da. My story in Masonry started out 2002 when I saw a very good friend, very worshipful Edgardo B. De Vera, who was, by the way, my sponsor in one of family gatherings, wearing a ring with the letter G. Curiosity got the better of me, so I asked if he was a Mason. With a gentle smile and soft voice, he answered in the affirmative.
How blessed you are to be thus honored by the priceless presence of these, our most respected dignitaries. But I believe the craft is also blessed to have you as one of its members.
Today, February 29, a very memorable day of my life and a unique day that comes on calendar, which only comes every 4 years. I reflect on my 14 years journey in Masonry. From being a visitor, a petitioner, an entered apprentice, a fellow craft, a master mason, a noble, a Valerian, a nosebleeder, an appointed officer, a junior warden, a senior warden, and finally ascending to the Oriental chair as worshipful master.
Please be reminded to always remain grounded and keep steadfast in the due observance of our obligations as Master Masons. The eyes of the fraternity are now upon you. Keep the Masonic passion burning in your hearts. Let everyone be a witness that by being a Mason, you have become a better person. This is the best way for us to attract good men into our fold, turn them into better persons through the ways of our ancient fraternity we call Freemasonry, and make a difference in the society we all live in.
I now declare this Lodge of Master Mason to be duly closed and the 20th public installation of officers to be duly concluded.